The medieval Chola Empire. Chola dynasty, which ruled over in Sanga period until 3rd century CE, lost its power and due to lack of heirs to the crown, the Chola region was under the sway of Pallava Empire. The chief of Pallava armed forces was placed as Viceroy of Tanjavur with the crown name Vijayalaya Chola in the year 850 CE. When the Pallava Empire lost its strength due to the internal dispute in Pallava royal family, Aditya Chola, the son of Vijayalaya Chola, took control of the region, became emperor of Pallava and Chola regions and crowned in Tanjavur. Arinjaya Chola of his dynasty married the daughters of the powerful Kalyan Chalukya kingdom and eastern Telugu Chalukya king and developed a diplomatic relationship with them. His son Parandaka too was very handsome, the beauty inherited from his mother, and so called a Sundara Chola. Emperor Sundara Chola had two sons, Aditya Karigalan and Arulmozhivarman, and one daughter, Kundavai. Aditya too was mysteriously passed away in young age. Arulmozhivarman, a great warrior, was majestic and very handsome like his father Sundara Chola, with good qualities, respected everybody in the society, and a great diplomat. He was born to Sundara Chola and Queen Vanavan Madevi at Tanjavur in 947 CE. He was the emperor with the crown name Rajaraja Chola from 985 CE to 1014 CE. Rajaraja Chola had two sons, namely Rajendra Chola, Arayan Rajarajan, and two daughters by name Madevi and Kundavi. Rajendra Chola became the emperor after Rajaraja Chola, whose empire spread over Southeast Asia. Rajaraja Chola, born as Arulmozhivarman, was the most famous emperor in South India. Please go through the video Rajaraja Chola, the great man. Thank you for watching.